What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a new viewer, I'd like to welcome you as well. My name is Marquis, and this is episode 5 of Gym Gems. In this video, I want to talk about a term that a lot of lifters overlook and some people may not understand, but it could be one of the big reasons on why you may not be seeing the results that you want in the gym. The term is called synergistic dominance. So what is synergistic dominance? Synergistic dominance is when the muscles that are supposed to help and assist with the movement end up doing most of the work. This happens when your main muscle, the prime mover for that movement, is either weak or not activated properly. Here's an example. When doing hip thrusts, your glutes should be doing most of the work. They are the prime mover for that movement. But if you're not feeling it there, then they can be underactive, weak, or fatigued. And this will cause you to feel it in your hamstrings, quads, or your low back, which are the secondary muscles that are trying to help you with the movement. If you continue to push through and not feel the movement from the main muscle or prime movers, this can eventually lead to bad form, weaker lifts, and injuries over time. Here's another example. When doing dumbbell rows or pull downs, your lats should drive the movement. But if again they are underactive, your biceps and traps will look to take over. So how do you fix muscle imbalances? In order to fix muscle imbalances, I recommend doing 2 things. 1, loosen the overactive muscles. These are the muscles that take over, and you can do this by using a foam roll or stretching. Number 2, activate the underactive muscles before you lift. This is why it's also important that your warm-up goes hand in hand with your workout. Just adding this small fix to your routines will unlock better muscle growth, improve your joint health, increase your range of motion, and also reduce the risk of injuries. The goal is to always train smart and for longevity. Give this a try and place in the comments on how it worked for you. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.